Ready to turn everyday users into your biggest brand advocates and skyrocket your TikTok shop sales? This is your blueprint for crafting authentic, attention-grabbing UGC ads that convert on TikTok shop. Step 1. Embrace authenticity. Forget polished perfection. Real people, real reactions, real results are what TikTok craves. Think genuine excitement, relatable problems, and honest reviews. Your goal is to feel less like an ad and more like a friend's recommendation. Step 2. Tap into trends. What's blowing up on TikTok right now? Can you creatively incorporate your product into a trending dance, sound bite, challenge, or meme? Look for trends that align with your product's vibe and your target audience's interests. Step 3. Showcase the wow factor. What makes your product special? Highlight its unique selling points through quick, visually appealing demonstrations. Think about the benefit. Does it solve a problem, save time, bring joy? Show, don't just tell. Step 4. Keep it concise and engaging. TikTok is fast-paced. Aim for videos between 715 seconds, packed with visual action. Use text overlays to highlight benefits or call to actions, but don't overcrowd the screen. Step 5. Clear call to action. Make it crystal clear what you want viewers to do next. Direct them to your TikTok shop with a simple, compelling call to action like tap to shop or link in bio. Step 6. Engage with your community. Encourage your creators to interact with comments and build a connection with potential customers. Replying to questions and positive feedback fuels more interest. By focusing on authenticity, trends, clear benefits, and community engagement, you can create UGC ads that not only capture attention, but also drive genuine sales for your TikTok shop. Start creating, start converting.